Back to another episode of 410 Drone and Travel. This is going to be my first episode in Las Vegas. I hope you guys enjoy the sights, sounds, and activities. Here we go. 5:03 in the AM, getting Joe, heading to work for a couple hours, picking Chris up, and we're heading to Vegas. Yo, just landed. Just landed and just got word. Got in on the list at Omnia for the night. Where are we going?
Omnia, bitch.
Omnia. Let's do it. Day one official. Lunch at Burger, Top Golf, dinner downtown at Fremont Street tonight. Let's do this. Yo, which way to the Forum Shops? This way? Okay, thanks. Forum Shops. They got the best escalators in the world. Some Bellagio Conservatory action. Got that Harris action going. Hey, there's Reese in the background. Say hi to everybody, 410 Drone.
What's up?
Got the crew here, we're just stopping off for a minute. Grabbing a couple beers and heading off for the rest of the night. Say hi to everybody at 410 Drone.
Oh shit, what up, what up?
Got the travel channel going. Gonna go what? What are you doing? We're gonna win some money today?
More than I already did.
Oh yeah. Super Bowl's over. Didn't really do that well. But hey, we're in Vegas. Booked a couple wins, but still down for the Super Bowl. Hey, it was a good time still. All right, first poker action of the trip. Heading over to Harrah's. Let's go see if we can cash or win this thing. Well, knocked out, 9th place. They were paying the top 4. Ran really terrible for a while. Card dead. What are you gonna do? Better luck next time, as they say. Las Vegas, if you're at the Bellagio, pro tip if you want to get over to the Crystal Shops or Aria, Vidara, City Center, etc. There's a free tram in the back of the Bellagio. Just follow the signs, go up the escalators, and get on. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another episode of 410 Drone and Travel. Sorry I couldn't get more DJI Spark drone footage. The weather hasn't been that great around here in Vegas. It's been rainy, windy, can't fly the drone in the wind. But I hope you guys did enjoy it. Make sure you hit those like and subscribe buttons, leave me a comment down below. See you in the next episode.